Tired of seeing old or unwanted accounts cluttering your Instagram login? Here is how to remove them in seconds so you can keep your feed clean and focused. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I am going to show you how to remove the Facebook account, X account and other accounts that are linked to your Insta profile. So let's start the video. First of all, open the Instagram app first. Then you will see the homepage of Insta here. Now tap on your profile icon that is at the bottom right corner. Now again you will see 3 vertical lines that is at the top right corner. Tap on it and you will see several settings over here like save.gb or security. Just tap on the first option that is account center. And again here you will see several settings, but tap on the profiles option and from here you can see the account that are linked to your Instagram ID. Just tap on these accounts and tap on the remove icon. So that's how you can remove the other accounts that are linked to your Instagram accounts. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.